So you do agree that whatever the Prime Minister does, he does for elections. And yes, Mr. Ajay Alok just said that this is the first time that he was heard. Well, he is so boring that we know what he's going to say. But the budget is for the coming year, right? And whatever has happened in the last 1 year is what has to be spoken about. So the real issues of price rise and inflation were not touched upon. The real issues of the voters list which was brought in was not spoken about. Of course, we heard the usual AI stand for this and it's a double AI.
I'm also referring to the comments which were made by Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi to the president's address. The Prime Ministers used it to the BJP's advantage right before elections.
Yes, so that is so small-minded and mean-minded.
So it's a self-goal. No, that's what I'm asking.
Prithveen, if you tell me that, oh, poor thing, you fell, or oh, poor thing, obviously you understand what you're saying. But if you're going to twist it to your advantage, then it just shows what kind of stature you have. So I will leave it at that as far as the Prime Minister is concerned.
Sujata, we're also talking about a constitutional figure, the President of the country. Now, calling the President of the country a poor thing or labeling her speech as boring is the last thing that should have been done.
No, look, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi is a 78-year lady and she's not going to demean anyone like that. She has the utmost respect for the President of India. And, let me just finish what I'm saying. The same rebuttal has been made for the past 11 years and he has not spoken about how he has managed to get 81 crore people to be getting free ration according to him, which I said is a right of the people, it's a privilege. Now, I am showing you this and this is from the economics NCERT book. And please make a note of this. Here, what has been shown, what is being taught to a class 9 student of economics is from the Government of India Central Statistics Office, and this has been accessed on 15 November 2021. How many people were poor in this country in 2011-12? That means the government does not have data because it has brought people, 81 crore people into the realm of the so-called free ration and no jobs. When you are talking about the Jan Dhan Yojana, I am not surprised because when Dr. Manmohan Singh was there, women were getting the subsidy for gas cylinders into their accounts directly. But of course, the present generation would not remember it. The Ayushman Bharat Yojana has been found fault with in the CAG report. Now, when you are talking about the Prime Minister, of course, how dignified it is to wear your name not on your sleeve, but on your entire clothes.
But you've still not answered my point.